Novogratz, conspicuously quiet. There was a Studio 2.0, Emily Chang, you know, Bloomberg West, Bloomberg Technology. He maybe want to buy crypto, Sue.
Well, he is viewed as a king in the crypto DeFi ecosystem, as it were. And yes, he is relatively quiet right now. There hasn't been a tweet from him since May 8th. He himself, a billionaire and a Wall Street veteran, has described himself as the Forrest Gump of Bitcoin. He recently, in fact, got a tattoo of a wolf howling at the moon with the word Luna. That's a nod to what was the hot new algorithmic stablecoin in the Luna Terra ecosystem that just had this past week a spectacular collapse. Now, many will come to the defense of the coin. It was considered a top 10 coin and say that it was a noble and important innovative experiment, but there's an admission now that it really went awry. What you're looking at is the Galaxy Crypto Index. That is Novogratz's fund. It is set to report earnings, and last Friday, which may be another indication of why we're not hearing from Novogratz, the company said it was bracing for a 300 million hit this quarter. Has a lot to do with what you're looking at this chart, the recent crash in crypto. Anyone who bought after 2020, including funds that periodically buy, are really on the losing side of the equation or below the waterline. What's interesting is that Galaxy made it clear it does not have any of these algorithmic stable coins in its treasury. In other words, no Luna, no Terra, so wouldn't have suffered any exposure or loss from that. Nonetheless, for such a big name and a big financer in this space to have been so tightly or closely tied to a failed concept is a bit of a black eye.